guys, what is up? And today I'm going to be solving every single Rubik's Cube that I can speed solve. And before this video starts, I want to let you know that we are so close to reaching my goal of 700 subscribers. If we do, I promise we will make a super cool video. So yeah guys, on to the video. Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be speed solving every single one of these Rubik's Cubes. The Rubik's Star, the Rubik's 2x2, the Pyraminx, the 3x3, and the 1x2x3. So I need this paper for the Pyraminx. And yeah, I'm gonna mix up all these cubes. So here's my first one. The Rubik's Star. Alright, so I'm gonna mix up the 2x2. I'm going to be speed solving each of those ones. Sorry about my mom in the background. I think this is a good mix. Right now, we're going to be doing them in order. So, Rubik's Star. Okay. I think there. This might... or I'm thinking should be a really good mix. Yep, it's my next mix. Here's my third mix, the Pyraminx. I'm gonna do a quick mix. And I do have a actual speed cubing timer, if you're wondering. Alright, so I guess this is good. And then, alright, and I think this would be a good mix. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Rubik's Star. Ready, and go. And it's in the solid state. So about 8 seconds. Next one. The next cube we're going to do is the 1x2x3. Ready? Four seconds. Third of all, we're going to do the 2x2, so. "17 seconds. I'm gonna save the 3x3 for last, so I'll do Pyraminx. Okay. Let's see. Inspection. Right now, this paper has all the algorithms I need to do, and then like this. So I'm not the best at Pyraminx. If you thought I was like super good at Pyraminx, I'm not. And I probably won't be for a while, so. All right, 49 seconds, and inspection starts now. Go. All right, white side solved. Hey, this has been a really good solve. I've been getting very fast, so this might be like a sub 50. I normally don't get sub 50s. Yeah, this isn't a sub 50. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is a sub 1 minute. 56 seconds. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try my best to solve a Rubik's Impossible. I'm gonna it's already mixed up. I have no clue how to solve it, so yeah. So for the final cube, I'm gonna solve. Of course, it has to be the regular Rubik's branded 3x3 because this was the first cube I ever solved, and it has to be the one that I do now. So I'm gonna give this thing a pretty easy scramble that I like. And then way up, so turn. Here's the scramble. This is my mix. No. I've not solved a Rubik's branded 3x3 and I don't know how long. It's gonna be a really long video. Dang it, no F2O. Wait, was that an F2O up here? No, that wasn't. I'm not even trying though. I don't even have the white side solved yet. I've actually never gotten an under 1 minute solve on a Rubik's branded 3x3. Yeah, it's already been about 1:30, unless I get a sub. 1:30 seconds. So yeah. That was about 90 seconds. Normally it takes me like 40 seconds to solve a game. Which, funny story, I dropped at our neighbor's house on the concrete and it almost broke. True story. So yeah, I'm happy that you watched this video. I very hope you enjoyed it. It was a pleasure making it, and it was fun getting to see all y'all. So I'm gonna get a #1 victory royale. This is gonna be a very popular video. I would ask if you could share this to all your friends, and I will show you this secret picture. It's really secret, so share this to all of your friends. And if you do, I will show you this secret picture. Ready? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you did it? Wow, check it out. It's me. It's me in front of a Kelly Tours bus solving, what is that? A Rubik's Cube? A Rubik's Cube. It's a Rubik's Cube. I'm solving my Rubik's branded 3x3. So yeah, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hope you like that puzzle.